as you know, it's Bank Holiday Monday. Brightwell's not open again today, so they are open. I think it's 12 till 2 for a short period, just for people to go on and view if they need to view. But as you can see, this is not green screen. I am up at Edale. I don't know whether I can make it back for tomorrow to do the live feed. I will try and do the live feed for if I think I'm going to Blue John Caverns tomorrow. Well, I'm heading off there now in about 10 minutes. So I'll try and, if I've got reception over there, I'll try and do the live feed from over there. But failing that, I do apologise. It won't happen. I will do an update when I get back. I don't know how I'm gonna. I'll see if I can get the daughter to record Brightwells. But failing that, you'll have to wait till next week. There are, I think it's five ambulances in this week. They are all high milers. There's one St John's with only 27,000 on the clock. But other than that, there isn't much to go on there anyway. So if you want to see what they have got, go to Brightwell's own site and have a look at the catalogue. When I looked at 5 o'clock this morning, they weren't in order, so I just had a quick flick through. So leave it up to you. I'm enjoying this. It's just finished pissing down rain now, so you know. But look at that. Not even rain will spoil that view. So I'll see you all next week if I don't see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.